Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you are doing fantastic. I am out here in Houston, Texas, enjoying the beautiful city. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful home in the town of KATY, a suburban area of Houston. The house is approximately 3,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms as well, and with an office, with game rooms and a media room. This is a brand new construction. I hope you will enjoy it. I'm gonna take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. Once again, my name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And to all of my returning Glam Squad, my beloved Glam Squad, you know I love you. Thank you for stopping by. Please check me out on Instagram and Facebook, TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou.
Just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. Your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, la designer. Pero mira como guayna, girl. La patrona la designer. Pero mira como guayna, girl. El flow que te llevases. Ay, aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara a tu style. Por eso andamos fire. Andamos fire, por eso andamos.
Guys, I am sorry I have not been answering to your comments. Yeah, I know I'm traveling, so I will answer to them as soon as I get back. But I plan on reading all of them. Please keep them coming. They are my fuel.
Que no sea normal, mala. Estamos en la buena, pero con ellos en la mala. Solo tenemos una vida, hay que gozarla, bebé. Hay que gozarla, bebé. Ella es una fila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Desde la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. Ella es una águila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Desde la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. La patrona la designa. Pero mira cómo vaina, girl. La patrona la designa. Pero mira cómo vaina, girl. Es lo que te llevases. Ay, aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara a tu style. Por eso andamos fire. Andamos fire, por eso andamos. Vamos a bailar toda la noche hasta las 12. Vamos a vivir la hippie life, vivimos del roce. Aquí todo es natural, ni me cambio mi pose. Y estamos a los decor porque no me conoce. Tranquila hasta el fin. Aquí estamos flow, pues nunca flow play. Sé que somos happy porque estamos buen. Tú siendo mi Django sería tu Jim. Ella es una fila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Desde la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. Ella es una águila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Desde la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. La patrona la designa. Pero mira cómo vaina, girl. La patrona la designa. Pero mira cómo vaina, girl. Es lo que te llevases. Ay, aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara a tu style. Por eso andamos fire. Andamos fire, por eso andamos. La patrona la designa. Pero mira cómo vaina, girl. La patrona la designa. Pero mira cómo vaina, girl. Es lo que te llevases. Ay, aquí competencia ya no hay. Nadie se compara a tu style. Por eso andamos fire. Andamos fire, por eso andamos. De todas las guiales, es la number one, es la buena, mi male. Yeah. Me dice que tal, si vamos a quemar, you know. Pero vaya, gente que no le gusta que no sea normal, mala. Estamos en la buena, pero con ellos en la mala. Solo tenemos una vida, hay que gozarla, bebé. Hay que gozarla, bebé. Ella es una fila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Desde la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. Ella es una águila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Desde la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueven las masas. La patrona la designa. Pero mira cómo vaina, girl. La patrona la designa. Pero mira cómo vaina, girl. Es lo que te llevases. Ay, aquí competencia ya no hay.
pose. Vamos a vivir la hippie life, vivimos del roce. Aquí todo es natural, no me cambio mi pose. Y estamos a los J corté porque no me conoce. Tranquila hasta el fin. Aquí estamos flow pues, nunca flow play. Sé que somos happy porque estamos buen güey. Tú siendo mi Django sería tu Jim. Ella es una fila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Es de la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueve las masas. Ella es una águila, una mujer entera. Tiene su respeto, ella es la mera mera. Es de la plaza, esa es su casa. Pero mira cómo mueve las masas. Otro la designer, pero mira cómo vaina, Otro la designer, pero mira cómo vaina, Otro que te llevases. Y aquí competencia ya no hay, nadie se compara a tú. Está ahí, por eso andamos fire, por eso andamos.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chase.
Guys, please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about this beautiful luxury home. I will see you on the next video for a brand new home tour. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Please don't leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I love you always. Bye-bye.